And this latest piece of news from the SBMA Ecology Center. Congratulations to Team SBMA Ecology Center. All right, they received recognition at the Environmental Summit 2026 for Best Ecological Solid Waste Management Practices under the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. Of course, this award reflects the hard work and dedication of everyone who believes in building a cleaner, greener future through circular economy practices. They would like to extend, the Ecology Center would like to extend their heartfelt thanks to the SBF, Subic Bay Freeport stakeholders, partners, and everyone who continues to support the Ecology Center in their solid waste management activities or initiatives. This achievement is also yours, sabi ng Ecology. Yan, kasama kayo sa kanilang achievement na ito, no? Okay. Also, they would like to thank the Department of Environment and Natural Resources and the Environmental Management Bureau Central Luzon for the recognition. All right. Our hearty congratulations to the SBMA Ecology Center of the SBMA Regulatory. Speaking of hearty congratulations, same goes to our friends at Yokozuna. Alright, nag-push through kahapon ba? Nung Monday. Oo, kahit na bumabagyo, no? Kahit na malalim ang baha. Nag-push through yung kanilang activity na that would that benefited kids, yung mga binaha. Ayan, maraming salamat sa mga tumulong daw at sumuporta, no? Okay? They had their outreach program, ang Yokozuna. Yokozuna Bar. They are located at along National Road. Ayan, sa Barrio Barreto. Okay? Malapit lang yan sa yung papuntang Baloy Beach. Pag nasa Baloy Beach ka na, lumampas ka na. Okay? So, thank you. Pinapasalamatan ng Yokozuna, mga tumulong. Ayan, SB Paula and team. Arzo Shawarma Moto. Okay. Oh, shawarma. Arzo, shawarma mo to. And also daw si Sis Aimee, si Nak Charmaine, Maring Corazon, Tita Grace, JD Nicdao, BM Eunice, BM Vilma, BM Elsie, Sis Dina, Nora, Desi, and to all who supported. Sharing is caring. 2 days event ng Yokozuna Workforce. Ayan, yung team Yokozuna. Mabuhay! Mabuhay kayong lahat dyan sa Yokozuna. Lalong-lalo na si Boss M, syempre. Siya yung nagli-lead. She leads the way para sa outreach program na to. And again, of course, syempre, hindi rin mangyayari yun kung hindi nyo sinuportahan. So again, salamat sa lahat ng mga sumuporta. Kaya kami rin dito sa Radyo Bandera, sinusuportahan namin to ang kanilang outreach program. So supportahan din natin yung Yokozuna Bar. Pag medyo gusto nyong mag-relax and unwind ng konting kasiyahan. Ako, I've been there. It's fun there sa Yokozuna. Masarap pumunta doon, no? Yan, merong live show, merong comedians, yan, may mga nagpapatawa at nakakatuwa. Oh, may mga special numbers. So, see you guys there at Yokozuna, ha? Punta kayo. Supportan din natin yan Yokozuna na para maipagpatuloy nila yung mga kanilang mga outreach program like this, no? Yung isa sa mga hindi ko alam kung saan sila pumunta yung isa sa mga activities nila, no, kung saan maraming batang nakapila, no, na inabutan ng mga pagkain, yan, at kung anik-anik pa. Again, our hearty congratulations, Yokozuna family, ha? Lalo na si kay Boss M, our friend, our good friend. Congratulations.